Hey guys, it's your boy Symphony here again. Today is Saturday, which is the day I used to, go back on my trade, recap, and see what I've done wrong, and try to correct my mistake against next week. Understand? So, first of all, like let's start from Monday. I think I took the first trade on Nasdaq on Monday. So, how do we take that first trade? That was want to go and look at. So we took our trade on Monday on Nasdaq. Let's go there. So the first trade on Nasdaq should be something. Um, should be this one. Yeah, this is it. Why is it not loading? So this is the first trade on Nasdaq. How do I get in? I want to explain to you guys. So you guys are gonna see that I'm using the same setup, just one setup, nothing else. So how do I take this trade? Equilibrium, SMT, break of structure, execute, 1 to 2 hits. Understand? So let me open my calculator. So yeah, you guys are gonna calculate this thing with me. Understand? I hope you guys could calculate with me, right? So what I mean by that is I'm coming. So as I was saying, let's say I get myself a $5,000 account. That's gonna be plus 100 because I use 1% per trade. That's equal to what? 5,001. And on our next trade, which was on Tuesday, I'm gonna see where I took the trade. I'm coming. I'm gonna see where I take the trade. No, the trade is not taking on Nasdaq. I took that trade on S&P 500, and let's go. I just want you guys to like see the power of what I did this week. Even though this week was kind of very hard for me, understand? Even though I get myself a prop firm, this is what I'm going to do. Although I'm getting the prop firm early next year, sorry, early next month, I pray. So this is it. Look at this one right here. I hope you guys can see this one. Look at this one. So on Tuesday, I lost one trade, which is what? Which is minus 50. Understand? And I win one trade. I won one trade, sorry, and plus, sorry, and that's plus 100. That's equal to 150. That's 3% up. Just Monday and Tuesday, I'm already 3% up on my 5K account. So now, let's go to Wednesday because I think I took the trade on Wednesday also. On Wednesday, right, I took this trade. Understand? That will be what? I want two trade. That will be plus 100 plus 100 equal to what? I'll be up fucking 7%. I'll be up 7% in this stage, understand? And the funniest part is that I might have passed it because when I'm up like in this stage, when I'm up about I don't know, I might just go to 1 to 4 for a year just to pass the account. It happened like that. When I say I almost pass an account and I say that liquidity is more obvious, I usually go for that. Understand? I might have passed the account in that state, but let us just calculate using 1 to 2. Remember, we are up 6%, right? So on the what's it called? On I think it's on Thursday now. On Thursday, what do I do? I think I lost two trades back to back on Thursday. Yes, I lost two trades back to back on Thursday on Nasdaq, and then we go to Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq on Friday, so on Thursday, sorry. So I lost these two trades back to back. This one and this one. I lost the two trades back to back. Although I might have it break even on this one, I don't know, but let's just count it at loss, okay? Let's count at loss. That will be minus 50, minus 50. Understand? That's equal to 250. Understand? And after that, on what's it called? On Friday, yesterday, which was yesterday, just this yesterday, I won this trade 1 to 2, and that will be what? Plus 100. That will be plus 100, which get us back to what? 7%. And then I lost two trade on S&P 500. Yeah, this is the two trade I lost on S&P 500. I did not take this one. I took it on Nasdaq. This is the two trades I lost. And then after losing these two trades, and then it got me back to what? Minus 50, minus 50, which got me to 5% profit for the week on a profit account. I don't know I don't know how many I don't know like the win rate I should use for this, understand? But I'm gonna tell you, this is about 50% win rate. It's even more than 50% win rate because it got me 250. This is 250, guys. That's you are up 5% for the week on your prop firm. Imagine, because this win rate now I won only one, two, three, four, five. I won five trade and I lose one, two, three. I lose how many trades? One, two, three, four, five. This is 50% win rate. We just 50% win rate and going for one to two, I was able to hold just 5% of my prop firm account. And with this, I can easily pass the prop firm with this. So I don't know. Like I think I did good this week, even though I took some losses, but it's still 50% win rate. So the mistake I made this week is that I wasn't going for one to two because this trade I took on Nasdaq, the trade I took on Nasdaq, which was this one, trade I took on Nasdaq, I did not take my profit on my own live account because I was willing to go down here. I was willing to try stupidity because market came back to hit my break even. Most of those trades that are my winning trade are going back to break even because I wasn't following my risk to reward. Understand? So I think you guys understand, and I hope I could correct myself next week because I had to come here early in the morning this Saturday and then look at the mistake I made this week and come back strong next week. Early February, I think I'm getting a profem. If I could get a profem by early of February, I'm going to make sure I document that profem and put in the work for you guys to say I'm going to pass the profem. This is a strategy I create for myself. I work on this for a long time and create this strategy using the same strategy. Nothing. Even this one I took equilibrium discount zone, SMT, dump, fair value gap, dump. If that fair value gap for break of structure, I'm dumping, I'm buying, I'm executing. So that's it for the week. Thank you guys for your support and everything. I really appreciate. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is the only way you can see me posting videos, and this is the only way YouTube can recommend my videos for you guys. Thank you.